Okay, in your books, I'm on page 95 in your books, and we're just going to do a couple of examples from the book about long division. Now, hopefully you've watched the other video. I'm afraid I haven't got cartoons and fish or anything like that on my video, but never mind, we'll just do the numbers on this one. Okay, so I'll do one at the beginning and then one towards the end of the page here. Okay, so the 1A here, it says 54 divided by 3. Okay, the first thing we have to do when we're doing division is we have to put it down in our normal way of writing it. Okay, so we have to write it down like this, right? Okay, then we just go through and look at the different ones here. Okay, so how many 3's in 5? Okay, so we divide. Remember our daddy, mummy, sister, brother. Okay, here. Okay, we got divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Okay, that's our plan, as it were, where we're doing long division. Okay, so we do here, we divide. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, that's the divide. Yeah. Then we do multiply. 1 times by 3 is 3. Okay. The next thing is subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. The next one, bring down. We bring down the 4. Okay? How many 3's in 24? 3 times 8 is 24, so we put the 8 at the top. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract 0. That's it. There's nothing to bring down, so our final result is 18. Okay? Let's do one of the do a couple more of the other ones here. Okay? We go to question number 4. I'll jump to G here. Okay? So we got 950 divided by 3. Okay, I'm going to write it down in our working out way straight away. Okay? 950 divided by 3. Divide first. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract 0. Bring down the 5. How many 3's in 5? There's 1, 3 and 5. Multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down the next one. Bring down the 0. How many 3's are there in 20? There's 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. 20 minus 18 is 2. Okay? Now in your books you don't do divisions with decimal points, so all we'll do is we'll leave this as remainder 2 at the top there. Okay? And that's it. Yeah? Now it gets a little bit harder when we're dealing with big numbers. Again, this isn't really in your book. I'm surprised it isn't, to be honest, but it isn't really in your book. So I'll just do one of these. I think the last one here, the last exercise here is exercise 10. Okay? It talks about here, it says 3,000 people go on a journey from Paris to Rome. They travel in 52-seater coaches. How many coaches do they need? Okay, so we've got 3,000. This is our division, is 3,000 divided by 52. Okay? Now, I mean, I could guess the answer to this, but let's just go through it step by step. Okay, so we got 52. Obviously, we can't do 52. How many 52's are there in 3? Now, if you want to do it this long division way, effectively what you would do is how many 52's are there in 3? 0. 0 times 52 is 0. Subtract is 3. bring down the next one. Okay? How many in 30? 0. 0 times 52 is 0. Bring down, subtract, the answer is 30. Bring down the 0. Now we've got 52s. How many 52s are there in 300? Now the only thing you can do here, there's no easy way of doing this. The only thing you can do is guess, basically. How do we guess it? Well, you can guess it using estimations. If we round this up to 50, round this down to 50, sorry. If it was 50, how many 50s would there be in 300? Well, we know there are 2 50s in 100, so in 300 there would be 6. Okay? Now I've got 52 here, I haven't got 50, so I don't think I'm going to get 6. So let's try 5 and see what we get. And all you can do with this, with double numbers like this, all you can do is try it and see. So we got 52 times by 5, and then just work it out. 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1. 5 times 5 is 25, 26. Okay? Now I can see I've got 300. 5 times 52 is 260. I'm not going to get another 52, because another 52 is going to be 300 and something. 312, isn't it, or something? Yes? So I'm not going to get another one there, so I know the answer here is going to be 5. Okay? I've already worked this out now. 5 times 52 is 260. Okay? I do the same thing, I subtract, I end up with 40 here, and bring down the 0. Okay? Now again, how many 52s are there in 400? 52s into 400. If it was 50s into 400, it would be 8. Okay, so let's try 7. 52 times by 7. Right? 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1. 5 times 7 is 35, 36. Okay? Again, 364, I'm not going to be able to add another 52 to that, it's going to go over 400. So the answer there, the answer that I'm going to put in here is 7. Okay? 7 times 52 I've already done, 364. Bring it down here. Do the subtraction here, and I'm going to get 36. Okay? Now there's nothing left for me to bring down. So my division, the answer to my division, is 57 remainder 36. Okay? But the answer in here, it's got 3,000 people go on a journey from Paris to Rome. They travel in 52-seater coaches. How many coaches do they need? Well, they can't have 57 remainder 6, so they're going to have 58 coaches in order to get everybody on the journey. Okay? Yeah? Right, okay, so that's the division part of that anyway. And I hope that makes it a little bit clearer with long division, excuse me. If you have any further questions with that, perhaps if you want to, you can try some of the questions in question number 4 and have a go at some of these, and I can have a look at them in a couple of days' time. Alright, thank you.